General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. The market is almost back open, so I need to do my markups. Before the market open, I like to do it while the chart's not moving. What happened today? Did we hit a weekly key level? Okay, let's look at this. We got a flat bottom on the week, and there is a gap here. VI low. Okay, you can say that. This volume is all the way down. I wonder if that's going to mess with the mic. Hopefully it don't. Yep, this is still the plan. I want to see it die now that we took the high. That's still the target. Idea should form somewhere around here. We're almost to 2025 open price. As far as levels, this is next. Like the VI low. What's the price point on this? Very large range Monday. Tuesday, CPI, options expiry week. It could be fireworks. Let's go to the H4. Anything significant here? Just a very bullish market structure. This will have to be my target. Got my eye here, just based on how we extended. this displacement. I could see another form, maybe a one deviation up. Higher for now, no confirmation to go lower. And the target will be that VI low. All right, see, I got my screenshots before the market opened back up. So mission accomplished there. That is that push. Kind of looked like my candles was moving too. So this is like one deviation of the news, of the initial push from the news. Okay, now that's done. Let's go here, Monday, 5/12/25. Let's go here and finish this off as well, because Friday's the 16th. All right, back here. Trump did his thing today, and I believe Coinbase did his thing today as well. Let's go to the news. For tomorrow, China might not impact because I believe they got a pause on tariffs since they're coming to a deal. Let me see CME Fed Watch. It's probably pricing in no cut for sure because of the tariff thing is kind of agreed upon, not yet finalized. Let's check this earnings for tomorrow. Just go here. Earnings on Tuesday. Nothing top 10 worthy, really. And let's get the dollar. What a pump from the dollar. We can watch this now. We really need to watch this. CPI could be take the high and die vibes. In all actuality. Okay. I should do the VIX. The VIX dropped all kind of levels. We in 18. But we'll go back to that later. I'm gonna get a more scientific understanding on a couple of things in my trading. Okay, CPI 830 is the main event for the week. I'm thinking with the pause on China tariffs, the only thing could change this is tomorrow CPI print. Here, none of these companies are top 10. No top 10 NASDAQ companies reporting tomorrow. Dollar on the daily. Wait for CSD here. Dixie is in retracement. No reversal is confirmed just yet. I need to see a retracement to a bullish array, and that array respected in order for me to say this is bullish. Maybe on a lower time frame, gap up, pump up today. Maybe on a lower time frame, it's doing this thing within this retracement. There's always setups inside these candles. Gap up today. One-sided delivery. The catalyst was China news. Weekly. Price is almost to the weekly volume imbalance. We in prime position for sales. They are not confirmed yet. We need structure to show its hand. Daily, just a solid gap up on the day. I have my eye on weekly open to target after CSD. Page 4, pretty close to the volume imbalance. I want to see higher for Tuesday and let CPI do its madness and then look for sales. H1 target is VI low at 2111.7.25. No alert needed. Since we are in the hunting grounds. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. I don't know what that is. Okay, cool. All right, y'all have a good day. Peace.